Happy Father's Day. Father's Day is celebrated worldwide to honor all fathers and fatherhood. It's also a special occasion for children to express their love and gratitude to their fathers. Please watch the following video to learn how children can show their care and love to their fathers. Dialogue 1. Who gets the card for Father's Day? Minnie, do you know what day it is tomorrow?
Whoa, is it ice cream day?
No, honey, you just got to eat ice cream yesterday, don't you remember?
Oh, right. So what day is it tomorrow, Mom?
Tomorrow is Father's Day. Have you heard of it?
No, I don't think so.
Can you guess what Father's Day is then?
I know. It's a day for fathers.
Oh, wow. That's completely correct. Smart girl. Father's Day is a day to honor all fathers.
What does honor mean?
It means you show your love for someone and let them know that you're thankful for everything they've done.
Oh, I love Daddy. How do I honor him?
There are plenty of things you can do. For example, you can make a card for him.
But I don't know how to write yet.
You don't need to write. You can draw a picture for him. I know you love drawing.
Yeah, good idea. I'm really good at drawing. I'll draw a lot of hearts for him.
There are some cards on the bookshelf. Let me get them down for you.
Why are you giving me 2 cards?
You should write one for Grandpa as well.
Why?
Father's Day is a day for all fathers, honey. Grandpa is also a father.
I love Grandpa, but I'm not making a card for him.
Minnie, why's that?
Because Grandpa is your father, not my father.
Well, that's true, but Father's Day is a day to celebrate all the fathers in our lives. So it's totally possible for you to send a card to Grandpa too.
I see what you mean, but Mom, Father's Day is a special day for our own father. So how about I make a card for my dad and you make a card for your dad? Grandpa may be sad if he doesn't get to receive a card from his own daughter, don't you think?
Yeah, that makes sense. I think you're right, Minnie.
Wait, I know it! You want me to make the card for you also because you're not good at drawing, right? Don't worry, Mom. Let me teach you how to draw.
Okay. Can you help me with the drawing later, honey? I'll really need your help.
Sure, Mom.
Dialogue 2. A call for Dad. Hello. May I ask who this is?
Dad, it's me, Lizzie.
Lizzie, hi, honey. Why are you calling me from this number? My phone is out of battery and I can't find my charger anywhere, so I can't turn it on. I'm borrowing my roommate's phone to call you. Oh, okay, I see. You must have been throwing your stuff everywhere again. Yeah, you know me, Dad. Anyway, how are you, Dad? I'm sorry I haven't been able to talk with you all week. I was having some final exams. That's okay, honey. I'm still fine. Don't worry about me. I know you must be busy, as it's near the end of the school year. I want to call you today to wish you a happy Father's Day, Dad. Oh, is it Father's Day today? I didn't even know that. Yeah, it is. Thank you for everything you've done for me, Dad. I hope you will have a wonderful day and that you will be happy and healthy every day. I love you, Dad. Thank you so much, dear. I love you too. By the way, what time is it over there, Lizzie? How are you recently? How's school and everything?
It's 8 a.m. now, and I'm fine. Everything's still good. I only have one exam and 2 projects left before the summer vacation begins. I'll be able to go home in 15 days. I can't wait.
Take care of yourself, dear. Don't forget to eat and sleep properly. I'll see you soon. I miss you a lot.
I miss you too, Dad. Anyway, I have to go to class now. I'll call later.
Okay, dear. Bye. I love you.
Dialogue 3. Father's Day Dinner. Today is Father's Day. Dad, I'd like to thank you for everything you've done for me and my brother. You've always cared for us from head to toe, and you've worked so hard so that Kevin and I can get the best education possible. Thank you, Dad.
Oh, thank you, Cecilia. Dad, we are so grateful to have a dad who not only cooks and cares for us, but also teaches us a lot of things in life. You're the best, Dad. We hope you will always be healthy, happy, and successful. Thank you, Luke.
I'd like to say something too. Honey, thank you for being such a wonderful husband, a wonderful father to our children. I love you.
I love you too. Let's cheer. Happy Father's Day to Dad.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Dad, we've prepared some gifts for you. Please open them.
Oh, you even have gifts for me? Wow.
I bought you a tie, and Luke bought you a new pair of earphones. We saved money to buy the gifts, and Mom helped us pay a part too.
We're glad you like the gifts.
Dialogue 4. A card for Dad. Mom, can I ask you something? Sure, honey, what is it? I want to write a card for Daddy, but I don't know what to write. Aw, that's so sweet, Tommy. What day is it for? Daddy's birthday is not until next month. It's for Father's Day. Oh, right, this Sunday is Father's Day. I almost forgot about that. Wow, how did you know which day is Father's Day? Ms. Brown told us about it in class today. Father's Day is on the 3rd Sunday of June every year. Yeah, you're perfectly right. So what should I write on the card, Mom? I haven't known how to write a lot of words yet. Don't worry, honey. You don't have to write anything too complicated. You can just write down your best wishes for Daddy. Like what? Like, for example, you can always say you hope that he'll always be healthy. Uh-huh. I get it. Oh, can I also draw him something? Of course, honey. Anything that you want. I'm sure Daddy will like it. Happy Father's Day! I made you a card.
Oh, really? I can't believe you already know which day is Father's Day. My boy is so grown up now.
Open it, Dad. I made it myself.
It looks wonderful. Let me read it. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I hope you will never get sick and have a lot of time to play with me. I love you, Tommy. Wow, did you write it yourself?
Yeah, Mom helped me a bit with the idea, but I wrote it myself.
That's amazing, honey. Oh, there's more on the next page. What's this?
I drew that too. I wanted to decorate the card, so I drew a picture of our family.
What are we doing in this picture?
We're having a picnic in the park. It's my favorite activity. Do you like the card, Dad?
Are you kidding? I love it. I'm so touched. Thank you for this wonderful gift, Tommy.
Yay! I'm glad you like it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.